All right, welcome back. So this is project number 7. So we're going to do a more step-by-step process for this one. Unlike project 6, where I already did the project, thought I was recording and wasn't, this one we're going to do more step-by-step. Okay. So let's go to Firefox. Let's click on project number 7. Make sure you're on LearnTechProjectFiles.com, Adobe After Effects 2022 projects. Go to project number 7, which is Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 projects. Download that file. We're going to let this work, and while it does, we'll create our project file. So do New Project, go to File, Save As, and we're going to do the reps. Okay, so we're going to label this similar to this, but it's going to be number 7. So it'll be number 7, project number 7, Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 projects. Command A to select all, Command C to copy on the Mac, Control A on the PC, Control C to copy on the PC. We'll create that file, then we'll label this as such inside of there. We'll save it, then we'll go back to Firefox, grab our file, bring it over to Documents, then bring it inside of, we'll bring it into Documents. Okay, there we go. Projects, we'll go to number 7, double click on it, open up the zip file, and we have introduction, benefits, what you'll learn, students, requirements, thank you, and the graphic. Well, not the graphic, but the promo video. So let's go to After Effects, right click on the project panel, click on import, right click, import file, okay, go to project number 7, in the folder here with all the files. Open that up. Bring this here. You see how efficient we're getting at this. Scrub through and see where we want to put stuff. So this is 1 minute and 15 seconds, right? And so where does the thumbnail show up is really the question. Probably at 1 minute and 10 seconds. So we have about 10 seconds of the graphic here and then 10 seconds over there. So we got about 50 seconds of content. So we can kind of stretch out these graphics if we want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to lay this out. And then I want you to, in the assignment, add your own effects. Okay. So we're going to add introduction first. And this time we're going to put it in the upper right-hand corner. Okay. And I'm going to trim this here and then also here. So we'll put it to about 20 seconds. Then I'll bring in benefits, doing the same thing. We'll trim it to the end of this one and then kind of wing it, take it to about 30 seconds. Then I'll bring in what you'll learn and we'll do the same thing here. So I'm going to put it there and then trim it down to about 40 seconds. Then I'll go to students. Okay. And with this one, do the same thing. And then we're going to actually have to move the graphic itself because I haven't moved that yet. And then we'll do the same thing here. And all we're doing right now is trimming the layers as I move out of the program here. Good job. And then we'll put it at 1 minute. And then I'll add thank you. And you can see how we evenly kind of time this up. And let's see how long we have until the thumbnail. So about right there. Beautiful. Okay. So this is how I did the previous project. And so what we're going to do is grab this and just slap it in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to zoom in just so we don't have no white space on the right or the top. Okay, and then the same with this one. We'll zoom out, we'll bring it up. Then I'll zoom in. Okay, like that. Then the same thing here. Beautiful. And then we have this one. Looks good. And then we have thank you. Beautiful. So you can see just from that, this is how I set everything up. And now what I want you to do is go through and transform each one of these and give it an effect that we've been learning through the past 4 projects. Okay. Have it drop the opacity down, have it fade away, have it fade in. However you want to do it, you can do it in the assignment. Okay? Have fun with it. Don't worry about it. Have a good time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.